In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to remove a Samson dryer motor. The motor was weak, it was barely turning the tub. We made sure the rollers was fine, so this is the reason why we're replacing it, because it was weak. So what's up, guys? We are on a Samson dryer. We're just going to be putting the motor on here, and I'm going to kind of walk y'all through the steps. There are 4 screws here at the top that you need to remove. This will allow you to begin the process to removing the front panel. There is 1 screw right below the lid switch that you need to remove. So there was a couple screws here that right below the lint filter screen on the front of the door that I need to remove. That'll give you the ability to free up the whole panel after removing the screws off the top. And that'll give you the ability to pull it forward, and there is the door switch there that you have to unplug, and you can remove the front. The next step would be to remove the 1 screw off the blower housing, and then I have 4 screws that hold the bearing that supports the drum. Now I'm going to loosen the belt off the motor by releasing the tension off the idler pulley so we can pull the drum out. Alright, so get you a vice grip so you can put on one end of the motor, because we need to get the 9/16 nut off the blower wheel so that we can pull the motor from the other side. This nut is going to be turned clockwise. Get your socket on there and use your hammer to give it a good bump. This makes it easier to loosen it. Okay, so the next step is going to be remove the 2 Phillips screws here so that you can pull the blower wheel out of the housing. Step is to remove the clamps off the motor. There's 2 clamps, and this is the only thing that's holding this motor in the dryer. As you can see here, you can just push down. There's 2 lips on each side here that holds this thing in. There's also one on the back side that you need to remove. So now that you got both clamps off, that gives you the ability to pull the whole motor out. You know, there is the harness that goes into the motor. You will have to remove it to pull it out.
Yeah, I understand. It ain't fun. Yeah, Yeah, Dan. You talking about Dan? Yeah. Right. Right. Really?
What I'm trying to do here is align the motor back up into the bracket properly so that we can perfectly fit the clamp back around it.
Yeah. I had one a while ago. It kept throwing an HE code.
Now put your clamp back on here on the front. There's the two lips, and in this clamp it you have the holes that you push back down. Give it a good little push to secure it. I already got the clamp on the back, and just make sure that it's good and secure properly, and there's nothing hindering the shaft from moving. Now that the motor is back in secure, you can start back assembling the dryer. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you're enjoying the information that I'm putting out there. If you felt like you've learned something today and would like to contribute to my channel, I put a PayPal button at the top right hand corner of my page. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.